Did you send a message in ChatGPT and then realize you forgot something or made a mistake? You don't need to start a new conversation. ChatGPT lets you edit your previous messages so you can quickly update your prompt and get a new response. To edit a message, open the conversation that contains the prompt you want to change. Move your mouse over your message, then click the edit icon that appears next to it. Now make any changes you want. You can fix a typo, add more details, remove unnecessary information, or completely rewrite your prompt. Once you're done, press Enter or click the Send button. ChatGPT will generate a brand new response based on your updated prompt. Your original prompt and response won't disappear, though. You can switch between different versions of your edited prompt using the arrows that appear below your message, making it easy to compare the results. Editing a message is often faster than typing a new prompt, especially if you only need to make a small change. It's a simple way to refine your request and get better answers without adding extra messages to your chat. If this video was useful, be sure to check out my other ChatGPT tutorials for more simple tips and helpful features.